Welcome back, beautiful people. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. In today's video, I would want to talk about a propaganda that I'm not going to be falling for. And this has been like a trend on Instagram. So I thought, why not share my side of this trend? So, the propaganda that I'm not going to be falling for is clear skin. Basically, मेरे हिसाब से clear skin is a myth. Everyone has bad days with their skin, everyone has best days with their skin, but it is not forever. Like, it is changing, it is evolving with you. Your skin, basically, मैं इसकी बात कर रही. It is not the constant. So why are we falling for that shit on social media? Because मेरे को ऐसा लगता है the social media or movies for that matter have done a really good job at hiding what real or actual skin looks like, and they have set beauty standards that are unmatchable. Because I feel पहली बात तो beauty standards are defined by people and not by you, and you're just accepting them, which is another thing that is messed up. And also, you are accepting something that is actually a myth that doesn't even exist. So how are you ever going to meet the standards when they are unmatchable? The question is that. And I think this trend has brought light on so many things that people don't like about, that people don't think actually exist. And I think, according to me, that is clear skin or glass skin for that matter. Bro, Koreans are different. Like, first get this in your head, like the Korean beauty regime, or whatever thing that is going on, and you want glass skin like Koreans. It is not going to happen. That is some of the reason, or one of the reason that they have that skin is genetics, because they have those genes in them, and also their skin is okay with the regime that they follow. And even if you follow that, maybe to some extent you feel like, okay, मैं वहाँ तक पहुँच गई, but आप उससे compare तो नहीं कर पाओगे, because you are from different part of Asia and your genes are like inbuilt differently na. So you cannot be thinking कि okay, I'll follow this regime and get there. And also मुझे ऐसा लगता है the beauty standards that are set by movies for that matter, or social media for that matter, are like a mess, literal mess. आपको दिखाया नहीं जाता कि the actual skin that people have, or like the actual regime that they follow, but they are just paid to show you stuff on Instagram, and you cannot be accepting that stuff, and you cannot be like, okay, I have to match that, because bro, it's a myth. Get that in your head first. Okay, it is a myth. Okay, it's okay if you have bumps on your skin, if you have pores on your skin, if your skin doesn't look like the influencer you wanna be, because this is your skin and that is their skin. मुझे पहली बात तो ऐसा लगता है कि that is all fake. Even though if you think that is all true, just stop it. Because भाई, आप कितनी देर तक ट्राई करोगे, कितनी देर तक अपने आप को बदलने की कोशिश करोगे? How much time will you try for? And also the disappointment that comes with it, if you don't get there, then that disappointment is different. And it is okay if you have things on your face or on your skin. Story time, I was like watching one interview of Ananya Pandey, and where she was talking about the beauty standards that the movies and web shows have now set for people. She was talking about how the movies show, like, for example, let's just talk about a scene where the main female character, that is the heroine, who's going to get up in the morning and is looking like she's straight out of parlor naturally. Like, bro, ऐसा होता ही नहीं. पहली बात मैं ये बता दूं कि कोई भी सुबह में उठ के फोटो सेल्फी वाला फेस किसी का नहीं रहता, एंड दैट इज फाइन. एंड ये मूवीज, ये माइंड, ये फाइन चीज को नॉट फाइन बना देते. बेसिकली दे मेक अस थिंक कि उठते की यू विल लुक लाइक डीवा. एंड ओके, दिखने का तो दैट इज दूर की बात, छोड़ो, मुझे उसके अंदर जाना ही नहीं. आई डोंट केयर. बट दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट द प्रोपेगेंडा दैट आई एम नॉट going to fall for. So that's why I'm talking about looks. And also, why such beauty standards? When Ananya was talking about the beauty standards, that's when it clicked me that how much of a big thing they have made out of this myth, and also how much the people are believing it, even though it is false or misleading. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है दिस इज़ द वीडियो और दिस इज़ द ट्रेंड विच गेव मी अ चांस टू टॉक अबाउट वॉट आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू बी फॉलोइंग फॉर, बिकॉज मेरे हिसाब से दैट इज़ ऑल अ मिथ. एंड थोड़े लोग इतने इन द this misleading thing हो जाते, they start believing in this misleading information so much that they think that it is the new normal, that or they think that that is how life is. For example, let's just say people who are very influenced by the people on social media or how they look, they start doing the skincare that they show, or they start doing stuff that people refer them on Insta, and start expecting result that they look like certain someone who in their point of view has the best skin. But bro, इट इज़ ऑल अ मिथ. मैं हर चीज़ में ये मिथ क्यों बोल रही हूँ बोलो तो सही में यार, ये झूठ के लिए अपन इतना ये झूठ में अपन इतना खो गए कि हम इसे अपनी न्यू रियलिटी बना लिए. लाइक सम पीपल हैव मेड इट देयर न्यू रियलिटी एंड दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ बॉदरिंग मी. Like people need to be showing what actually is going on, or people need to be talking about how it actually is and how they look. And also this has majorly to do with how comfortable you are in your own skin. Like अगर आप इस चीज़ के लिए फॉल कर गए कि आपकी स्किन ग्लास लाइक रहनी चाहिए या क्लियर स्किन और व्हाट्सोएवर, यू कैन नेवर बी हैप्पी विथ व्हाट you have, or you can never be satisfied the way you look. And these insecurities come up out of no reason, out of this myth that was created by social media and also by the movies and also by the society. तो भाई आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज पहले तो थी ही नहीं, पर कब कहीं से इट इज कमिंग बिकॉज यू आर सीइंग सच कंटेंट एंड यू आर बिलीविंग दैट दिस इज द न्यू नॉर्मल. इट इज नॉट, it is abnormal actually. So that is what I wanted to tell in this video, basically, how we are accepting things that should be unacceptable in regard with the skin or in regard with how we look. मुझे ये भी highlight करना है when we are talking about the topic of beauty standards and the way we look. I think beauty standards are okay to have. Like, it is okay if you want to, it is good if you want to look a certain way, if you want to reach a certain level of place where you feel ke acha this is beauty according to me and I would want to reach there. It is okay, but how you're reaching there is also matters, right? And this social media has made us think ke buying expensive skincare shit will only get you there. But no, you can get there by real hustle too. By real hustle I mean by having a good diet, by actually following a fitness regime, or like doing something that is actually going to give you the results that you want in your life. So yeah, fall for the things that actually exist. Like if you have a clean diet and if you do your skincare that is not too expensive, it doesn't need to be too expensive, but if you're having money and you want to spend, that is your wish. but भाई मतलब उसी से आपका गोल रीच नहीं होता. मेरा बोलने का ये भी मतलब है, there are ways to reach it, and one of them is eating clean, having a good workout regime. If you're following that, then you're good for life, I guess. You'll look good, you'll feel good, and everything will be going upwards only if you're doing things like this in life. What matters to me the most is you have to be comfortable in your own skin. Like it's okay if you want to change it and if you want to be a certain way, that is up to you. But at the end of the day, you need to be happy with the way you look and you need to be happy with who you are. So for me, and why I'm not willing to okay with falling with to this for this propaganda is that it is telling you that this is not okay, you are not okay, you need to be looking a certain way to be accepted here, and that is not true. You need to be who you are to be accepted, just know that. And इसीलिए मुझे ये इतना बॉदर करता basically the standards that are set. What if you don't fit in any of the standards? Then what? क्या क्या करूँ, मैं मर जाऊँ? मेरी कोई फीलिंग नहीं है, तुम्हारी फीलिंग तुम्हारी। हाँ, ऐसा मतलब मेरी अंदर की आवाज़ है ये भाई बेसिकली। आप जो कहे वो ही सच नहीं हो सकता। मतलब आप जो बोल रहे कि ये बॉक्स में फिट हो, अगर आप नहीं हो रहे तो यू आर नॉट मेंट टू डू दिस। नो, it's okay if you want to do this, even if you're not fitting in the boxes. That is all I wanted to say. And it is okay to have textured skin, it is okay to have bumps on your skin, it is okay to have things that are told that it is not okay. It is okay. That is all I want to say. All I want to say is the propaganda I'm not going to fall for is clear skin or glass skin, because according to me that is a myth. And if you're trying really hard to achieve it or get there, let me give you a disclaimer: you're never going to, and you're only going to end up disappointed. That's all for today. Hope you liked it. I, as usual, love talking, and do let me know what is the propaganda that you are not falling for, that you think is actual bullshit. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye.